I've personally encountered the HWiNFO64 SYS driver incompatibility after recent system changes, dedicating significant time to testing various remedies. Ultimately, I discovered multiple effective approaches to resolve this specific issue, and I'm prepared to share these solutions with you right now. First, updating HWiNFO64 itself is crucial because newer versions are built to be compatible with the latest Windows kernel and system APIs. Older installations might lack the necessary digital signatures or internal logic to interact correctly with an update operating system, causing the driver to be flagged as incompatible. A fresh, current installation typically resolves these version mismatches by providing the most up-to-date driver code. Second, updating your core system drivers is often overlooked, but an incompatible HWiNFO64 SYS driver can be a symptom of broader system driver conflicts. Windows updates sometimes introduce changes that demand newer versions of other hardware drivers, like chipset or GPU drivers, to maintain overall system stability. Ensuring all core system drivers are current eliminates these potential conflicts, which might otherwise prevent HWiNFO64's driver from loading properly. Third, rolling back the latest Windows update is a powerful fix because occasionally a specific Windows update introduces a regression or a change that directly breaks compatibility with certain third-party drivers like HWiNFO64 SYS. Reverting to a previous, stable build of Windows effectively removes that problematic update, restoring the environment where the HWiNFO64 driver functioned correctly and isolating the update as the root cause. Finally, a driver signature enforcement workaround addresses situations where Windows security measures prevent the driver from loading. Windows enforces driver signature enforcement to enhance system security, only allowing digitally signed drivers to load. If the HWiNFO64 SYS driver signature is corrupted, unrecognized, or if you're using a beta version, temporarily disabling this enforcement allows the driver to load. This serves as a diagnostic step to confirm if signature validation is the core problem, enabling a temporary fix until an officially signed driver is available, effectively circumventing the security check preventing driver initialization.